Video claims to show Apple magnetic wireless charger prototype. Apple, well, we've talked about it here on this show many times. Very bizarre that Apple doesn't have a wireless charging product yet, considering all their devices support it. They were going to do the AirPower thing. They bailed. Too much heat, so trouble manufacturing it, which is still strange to me to this day that they can do all these complicated things. But that was the one thing that threw them off, or they weren't happy with the way it turned out, even though there's third-party companies that do make things like that now. It's all very bizarre.
Something exactly like that, too.
Exactly.
Didn't we try something like that?
Yeah, companies have made the exact thing that AirPower was supposed to be. Now, actually, I shouldn't say the exact thing because it never tapped into the software in a way that you would expect Apple's official product to do, where you would see the device. You know what I mean? It's make a much smarter connection. Anyway, the rumor then emerged that they were going to do a far more simplified version of a wireless charger. And then we started to see stories popping up about potentially magnets being placed inside the next generation iPhone in strategic locations. And people started to wonder, okay, maybe this simplified wireless charger would have some magnetic component to it. Well, we have this video here. It was sent to 9to5Mac, and you can play a little bit of it. It shows this little disc-looking device, and the video, whoever shot it, is claiming that this is showing off Apple's magnetic wireless charger, or at least a prototype of it, or at least a piece of it. As you can see, there's no cables coming out of it. It's very strange looking. It's a circular disc. However, I wouldn't be surprised if, it could be for testing purposes. You know, Apple makes some products that they would have maybe just for their employees or their testers or their manufacturers to be able to test wireless charging. They want it all to fit in with the Apple lineup. But they do have to put something out, in my opinion. And magnets would be cool. They've used magnets in the past.
Yep.
It's one of the downsides of wireless chargers, and certainly small wireless chargers. If you want a very portable wireless charger, the trouble is you have this limited coil spot to line your thing up.
Yes.
So the smaller the charger, maybe the more useful the magnets could be. And if they are able to ship something like this, that's kind of cool, little pocketable thing. It's about as small as you might imagine a wireless charger being. So we'll wait and see, but it looks kind of promising.